primal needs, guilty pleasures, self-expression. Because money is made to be spent on beautiful and happy things in life, people like you and I always want to buy something in life. Comment below what you can't seem to buy enough of. The question is why? What drives responsible people like you and I to part with scores of our hard-earned moolah? As a professional consumer, both you and I know that for every product and service out there, there is always a cheaper, better, same or different alternative. And let's face it, both you and I are quite tired of all those salespeople, sales pages, sales pitches out there that keep telling us how better their shit is, how cheaper their shit is, and how more experienced and trusted their products are. Let me tell you, people have refined and individualized tastes and preferences. We will search, we will compare, and we will come to our own conclusions. Thank you very much. However, there is an interesting phenomenon. Since young till now, there have been what seems to others crazy, illogical, risk father, mother, husband, wife getting angry purchases that we have shelled out on. Like for myself, I used to shell out on MapleStory, Magic the Gathering, and just recently, people have shelled out for a plain white t-shirt. What? Are you insane? You might say that, but get this. Actually, you and I are not here to compare notes about being a professional consumer, but we are here to look through the lenses of your already and would-be brand audience and consumers. As a brand founder looking to thrive in this new era of consumer behavior, looking for culture, community, meaning, and individualism, thinking from what's in it for the consumer is everything. To the consumer, what they are buying is not just a product or a service. It means so much more to them. Whether it be completing a collection for accomplishment, being part of an identity, culture, community with the same values, ideals, beliefs, and lifestyle, or a self-expression of being unique. Now, ain't that the truth? Most of the world that is active in consumerism right now mostly have their basic necessities like food, water, and shelter covered. And no matter how good or bad times are, they are always looking for something meaningful to spend their resources and money to buy. Craft your brand in the shoes of your consumer. Be the superheroes that, on your shoulders, new superheroes arise. See you next week.